So in this video, let's look at how we can import data from an image in Microsoft Excel. So to import data as an image in Microsoft Excel, go to data. When you go to data, here they are saying get and transform data. So we're going to get our data from an image. So there's this icon here that shows an Excel sheet and an image. So you select that one and then you go to picture from file. So this is going to open where you keep your files. So my file is on desktop. So I'll choose this image and click insert. Microsoft Excel is going to load my image here. Okay. And give me a preview of my data. Let me do this again. Sorry. I'll go to data. And then get data from file. Then I'll select my file and click on insert. So it is going to load my data and preview it here. So let me increase this one. So the loading time will depend on how big your data is. If you're having a huge amount of data, it is also going to take more time. So this is the data that I'm having, and this is the preview of how that data will look like in Microsoft Excel. So here I'm being given an opportunity to edit if there's any error. If you check the preview here and what I'm getting, it's not really what I wanted. Okay, so here you can change. For example, here, this is Chichewa, but the way it is looking here is not what I wanted. So I'll click on this one, and here I can edit it. So I can edit this one. After editing, I'll click on accept. Okay, so it has been edited. The same way with bio, I can edit this one and click on accept. I can also edit on physics. This one, I want to give it capital letters and accept. So you can see that I've edited these ones. They are how I want them to be. Now there's also another thing. If you look at these ones, the headers are in the wrong columns. So you can select this one and delete it. You accept and you come and insert it here. Okay, so I'm having mad and accept. Okay, the same way with English. Here it should be English. You can accept. Here it should be Jijewa. You accept. Here it was supposed to be geography. You accept. Agriculture. You accept. This is bio. I accept, and this is physics. Okay, let me go back. Okay, here should be physics. I accept. Therefore, I can delete these ones which I do not want. I can remove these ones that are in the wrong column. Okay, I think now it is what I wanted. If I go down, everything is okay. Then even these numbers, you can change them. If somewhere something is wrong, you can change them. Then I will click on insert data. Then they are saying you are responsible for validating the accuracy of all data. That's true. I will insert the data. So the data has been inserted where my cursor was. So my cursor was here. So this is where my data has been inserted. This is the data that I got from that picture. So that's how you can insert data from a picture. Thank you for your time.